I want to welcome all of you to Dakota Collegiate for the official opening of the tennis courts. The tennis courts are just another addition to this now state-of-the-art complex, and more importantly, has made this school a true community hub.
I'm so honored and glad to be here this morning to have had the opportunity to collaborate with my council colleague, Councillor Mays, on this wonderful amenity that's been added to this hub that this area can enjoy for many, many years to come.
Thank you to the Louis Riel School Division, to Christian. We've had a wonderful run here. I think each of the last 5 years we've opened a facility at Dakota. Thank you to the trustees. This would not have been possible without people like Louise and Chris Sigurdsson and Sandy Nemeth and others on the board who backed this all the way through, and it really has been a wonderful run.
The diverse range of participants on this field, in the cricket cage, over on the track, or on the basketball court, and now the tennis and pickleball court, demonstrates that this project was long overdue for this area. This has been a 7-year initiative, and Councillor Mays and the City of Winnipeg has been with us since the start. This here facility has been such a great pride for all of us at Dakota Collegiate and for our community, and will be for years and years to come. Thank you so much.
By building these spaces, together we are helping our communities achieve their full potential as learning and personal growth happens in and outside of our school classrooms. This facility not only serves Louis Riel School students, but it serves the entire community. The Louis Riel School Board feels truly that this is an important partnership with the City of Winnipeg and is a living example of what working together to achieve these shared visions.